Welcome to Emilac online tutorial. Before us is this question in projectile and physics. Now, budget the projectile from the ground at an angle theta to horizontal with a velocity of 30. So let's have that. Now, if it reaches the maximum height, now I have to calculate for this. Okay, now since we are given the maximum height here, let us make use of the formula, which is this. Now plugging in this parameter here, we have 11.25 equals, this will be 30 raised to the power 2 times sine square theta all over, and our g is given. Okay, it's not given, but let's make use of it as g equals to 10. So here we have 2 times 10. So here we have 11.25 equals 900 times sine square theta all over 20. So this cancels this. 2 here 1, 2 here 45. So here we have that sine square theta will give us dividing both sides by 45. Here we have 11.25 divided by 45, and when we make use of our calculator here, so this will give us 11.25 divided by 45. So you have 0.25 now, and sine square, okay, sine theta, which is distance, it is square. So here you have the square root of 0.25, which will give us 0.5. 0.5, the inverse of 0.5, this one should give us 30. So our angle theta is 30. Now time to, so the next one is the time taken to strike the ground, that is the total time of flight. We have 2u sine theta all over g, and this will go ahead and give us let me come up here. So here we have that 2 times 30, 30 times sine 30 over 10. This will eliminate this. We have that t equals to 6 times 0.5. So this will give us that t equals what? 3.0 seconds. Alright, now the next one says the range. Now calculating the range, here we have that r equals to u square sine 2 theta over g. So our u here is 30 raised to the power 2 times our 2 theta here. 2 theta here is something as saying 2 times 30, should give us what, 60. You have sine 60 over 10. This will give us 900. Now times sine 60 will give us 0.866 10 over 10. So we are left with 90 times 0.8660. Now punching our calculator here. So here we have the range give us 77.94 meter. Okay, now the next one is to find its velocity. Its velocity 2 seconds after the projection. Now we have to draw a quick diagram here to illustrate this. Now, so let us assume this is it. Now 2 seconds, let's assume that here is actually the 2 seconds. So it means at this point here, now here you have the vertical component and the horizontal component. So we look at this, look for this. So this is at 2 seconds time t. Now for the x component, which is u cos theta. Now the velocity, take note, at this point a equals to 0. So, and as such, we'll arrive at this. Now for this here, we have which is our u is 30. Now cos 30. Now this will give us 30 times 0.8660. So now this one should give us so here we have 25.98 meter. Now, but for the vertical component, we should have x sine theta, then t, right? So every time minus gt right here. So here we have this 30 sine 30 minus 10 times the time, 2 seconds. So here we have sine 30 here will give us 0.5, which is 30 times 0.5 minus 20. So here we have 15 minus 20, which will give us a minus 5 meter per seconds. Alright, so now then here, now looking at this now, finding the value of v here. So you can say its velocity, 2 seconds. So here we have that v equals to uy square plus square. So our v will now be, the vertical component of velocity is minus 5. Now horizontal component of the velocity is where are you? 25.98. So this will give us this should be 25. Now plus finding this one, okay, I guess square here, this will be 674.9. when you add it plus 25, so here we have 699.96. now the square root of answer give us 26.5 approximately. So we can also look for the angle here. That will be, that's the inverse. That will be inverse of vertical, that's opposite of adjacent. That will be, this is minus 5 over 25 points, and this will give us minus 5 divided by answer. Well, I'm coming. So here we have so after my calculation here, I got that theta equals minus 10.9 degree. Alright, because if you solve this, you get this as a final answer. Alright, this is the final answers to this question, and if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.